Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Target. This is their baby cat and jack box. They have them, I think, up to 24 months. It's $40 for a box. Of course, you save 5% if you have a red card, and if you sign up for the subscription so that you get them every time they are out, then you get an extra 5%. And I did get one last time. It was the first box I ever did, so I'll link it below in case you want to see it. Give you a 20% off coupon for a cat and jack baby or toddler apparel purchase. And if there's anything in here you don't like or it doesn't fit, you can take it back to the Target store. Oh, how cute. So right on top we have a little headband. And I think I got the 6 to 9 month box this time. How cute. And sometimes they do have the price tags on them, so this one's like $13.99. And it is 6 to 9 months. This is really pretty. Has some stripes of silver going through it. Very cute top. Then we have some leggings that can go with that. So I think that's the set because there's no price tag on that one. So we have that. Also have a little romper. This is adorable. It's a really pretty teal and green color. Very nice. And it is connected. Looks like there's a little shirt underneath. I like that print. Very nice. We also have rainbow is my favorite color. It's a sleeveless onesie. Very cute. Another onesie that says all you need is love and sunshine. It's glittery. I like their snaps because oftentimes they're colored like that. Oh, how cute. These are pink little shorts. The glitter waistband. Oh, I love these. Look how fun these are. Little pants. It's like a pocket up here. That's crazy. And then down the side, it's got that hanging out. That's cute. So that's what I got. We have a pair of pants, a pair of shorts, a onesie, another onesie, pair of pants, romper, a shirt, and a headband. So all that was 40 bucks. It was free shipping because I did use my red card and I did sign up for a subscription that you could cancel anytime. So I think in total it came out to be like $38, which isn't bad. So that is what I got. If you guys want to sign up, they did sell out super fast last time, so I'll put the link below in case you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.